Welcome to Explain the Charts, where we break down the news and chart data to help you understand market movements. Today is October 2nd, 2024, and we're taking a close look at the SPY, the S&P 500 ETF, which has been a hot topic lately. Let's start with the current events that are impacting the market. Recent news reports have focused on escalating tensions in the Middle East. Iran has launched missile strikes on Israel, prompting international concern. This conflict has led to a spike in oil prices, as investors worry about potential disruptions to global energy supplies. Additionally, the U.S. and its allies are considering a response, adding further uncertainty to the situation. These events have triggered a wave of volatility in the stock market. The S&P 500 closed lower on October 1st, 2024, as investors reacted to the news. Now, let's see how these events are reflected in the SPY's chart data. Looking at the daily chart, we can see a clear impact of the recent Middle East conflict. The SPY closed lower on October 1st, 2024, after the news of the missile strikes broke. The candle for that day shows a significant drop in price, indicating a bearish sentiment. However, it's important to note that the SPY has been on an upward trend in recent weeks. The price action over the past few months shows a strong bullish bias. The SPY has consistently broken through resistance levels and created higher highs. Despite the current dip, the longer-term trend remains bullish. We can see a potential support level around the price range of 545 to 550. This level has been tested multiple times in the past and acted as a support floor. If the SPY were to break below this level, it would signal a significant shift in sentiment. However, the current price action suggests that the SPY is likely to find support at this level. Let's switch to the 1-hour chart for a closer look at SPY's recent price action. Focusing on the past 24 hours, we can see a clear dip in price following the news of the missile strikes. The candle for the hour when the news hit shows a significant drop in price. However, we also see a quick bounce back, which suggests that the dip may be short-lived. There's a clear resistance level around 572 to 575. The SPY has struggled to break through this level in the past few days, suggesting that buyers are hesitant to push the price higher. If the SPY can break through this resistance, it would signal a stronger bullish sentiment. However, if it fails to break through, we may see further downward pressure on the price. Let's zoom in on the 15-minute chart to analyze the SPY's very short-term price action. We can see a lot of volatility in the past few hours. The price has been fluctuating between support and resistance levels. This is a sign of indecision in the market. Traders are trying to assess the impact of the news and decide on their next move. There's a potential support level around 568 to 570, which has been tested several times in the past. If the SPY breaks below this level, it could indicate a short-term bearish trend. However, there's also a potential resistance level around 573 to 575. If the SPY can break through this level, it would signal a short-term bullish trend. The current price action suggests that the SPY is likely to remain volatile in the short term. Let's recap some key points to watch in the coming days and weeks. The SPY has a longer-term bullish bias, but it's facing some short-term challenges. The recent dip caused by the Middle East conflict could be a buying opportunity for investors who believe the bullish trend will continue. If the SPY can break through the resistance level around 572 to 575, it would be a strong signal for further gains. However, if it fails to break through, we may see further downward pressure on the price. Keep an eye on the support level around 545 to 550. A break below this level would be a strong bearish signal and could lead to further losses. It's crucial to monitor the news and events that could impact the market. Any escalation in the Middle East conflict could lead to further volatility in the SPY. Investors should also pay attention to the economic data and the Fed's monetary policy decisions, as these factors can influence the overall market sentiment. The SPY is a popular ETF, so its price action can provide valuable insights into the direction of the broader stock market. By combining technical analysis with news and economic data, you can make more informed investment decisions.